Good morning, guys. So it is Friday, the 8th of November. I've just had a quick shower, so I'm fresh, ready for bed in a minute. But let's have a look at the total market cap. So yesterday we had this huge candle for the Trump election, Trump results, and then we had this nice positive move, which was looking a bit bearish yesterday. It looked like it was going to pull back a bit more. I said about 2.4. I was kind of feeling she'd come back to about 2.4 to maybe retest this. But at the moment, you can see over here, she's grinding. I was expecting her to probably come down like this. The fact that she's not so far, or yesterday she didn't come back and touch around this like 2.4 level, is really good news in essence, because it shows that she's being bought up. Um, so whether it is some kind of squeeze to start, pulling in more buyers, we will have to keep an eye on. But 1 day, 2 day, 3 day looking good on strength. Daily 8 hour and 4 hour looking good on strength, even though a bit of divergence here. And the weekly looking good. So yeah, maybe yeah, yeah, difficult to call. I'd expect it to be coming back to these moving averages, but she's under the 8 hour there. The 4 hours come under the 8 hour. We've got some divergence. So it could happen, but then she could be supported by the daily. And because of what's going on behind the scenes, a lot of sellers will be trying to enter the markets. They'll be still trading their system, thinking that, okay, yeah, so, this has worked for the last like few months. When it goes up here, I sell. And when it goes down here, I buy. And at the end of the day, we've got news now, which is having a major effect. So one thing I just noticed before we flipped over was ADA. So ADA's like had this huge push here on relative price, which is really good. So I hope everyone's still holding that. Um, and if not, you might still be able to buy it. So yeah, Bitcoin underperforming against a few of these, and you can see ADA there's like smashing it down. So underperforming against ADA, yes, it's still bullish, but it looks like some of the alts now might start rolling over and performing better. So we're still looking good on Ethereum, apart from obviously ADA's winning there. So this is like, when the lines are going up, it means that Ethereum's a buy against Litecoin, Ethereum's a buy against BNB and things like that. Sell, we're a buy on Litecoin, but a sell against other alts, but this might start turning. Yeah, ADA looks good on the daily. Link had a push. Band a bit messy, but still, she's trying. God loves a trier. Quant, yep, mixed, mixed. V chain trying its best. Who else? Neo, yep. BNB looking good. And then Lend. Yeah, Lend looking good. But you can see there again that Ada's taking this. Ada's winning at the moment. Ada's looking really good today. Dropping down to the 4 hour, we're looking a bit toppy, but I don't think it really matters. There's so much strength in it that people are going to get excited about it. Ave, yeah, for me, Ave, I expect it to be pushing again on the highs. So yeah, Bitcoin mixed. Ethereum looks a bit toppy, but mixed, 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 mixed. ADA looks good. Neo, no, 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 no. So Link might grind higher today. Um, Lend, yeah, it was a beautiful. So where was that yesterday? 4 hour, yeah, correct. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. 5 a.m. Yeah, it was. Yeah, it was. I think we were keeping an eye on it, weren't we, because of the strength? But it's rolled over into a sell. But it went up yesterday. From when we called it yesterday, um, Thursday, Thursday morning. Yeah, where we called it, it went 39. Yeah, you'd have got like your 3%. So Companatum, yeah. So 4 hour on blue chips. It's looking a bit mixed, isn't it? So it's Friday as well. It's coming towards the end of the official trading week, even though us crypto guys can keep going over weekend. And then Doge again. Doge, Sui, Pepe. Those are the ones with strength here on the daily. Not an amazing lot of strength. I mean, Doge is probably the best one for maintaining some strength there. But yeah, we're a buy on the daily. Let's see. we need a weekend where there's some volatility. I might try and trade a bit this weekend, but we need some volatility over the weekend. Lots of people to get shaken out. And as long as we close that weekly bullish, we could have another bumper week next week. Um, yeah. Okay. So Solana is a buy on the daily. AVAX is a buy on the daily. PolyX is a buy on the daily, looking quite nice. That actually, apart from maybe being outperformed by Link and ADA. Near, but a bit mixed, but bullish. Bullish, but kind of mixed. Dot, yep, Dot is trying. So this is Tau. Tau is a sell. Cas is a sell. Not officially against other things. That is bearing in mind. GRT is looking good. Yeah, it's a buy, and it's a buy against others. This one looks really good. So Injective Protocol, Render, and FET, they're all looking really good. Where are they on here? Yeah, they're popping. So FET is actually trying as well there. What else? Yeah, Sui. Sui's just had some really big moves, but if we all start really pushing, I think everything's just going to start, when yeah, the tide lifts all boats. Um, Pepe looking good. Doge looking, it's okay itself, but might turn into a sell against everything else because of the push it's done there. Um, might be, yeah, I don't know. Push it's done, might just underperform against others when they really start taking off. Floki looking good, just not against Link and Ada. And then Shiba is a bit mixed. So who to look for there, really? Yeah, it's the AIs are going pretty well. PolyX and Pepe. Yep. Dropping down to the 4 hour. Yeah, Solana's rolling. Where's the strength? Pepe here is probably losing a bit of strength there. Um, yeah, some of these, but you can see it's not rolled over and come down, so it's being bought up, which is interesting. What else? So yeah, Dot's looking good, probably today, for another push. Who else? Let's focus on who's looking good. Wait for these to start rounding. There again, I did say this looked good on the other chart on the daily, and it looks like it might have a push again. Yeah, apart from against Ada. Sell, done. Sell on Pepe. Buy coming up on Doge. But it sell itself, so it'll outperform others, but maybe pull back. And then everything else is a bit mixed. Yeah. So yeah, interesting one. A couple to keep your eyes on, like Ada and Link, maybe. Was it Ada and Link? Double check. Ada and Link, yep. Who else? Yeah. There's a couple with the strength. So these with strength here, like Lend, Ada, Solana, Ethereum, and Link, they're looking quite good on the daily strength. So just keep looking at the 4 hours and looking for those really good opportunities. Like if Link turns into a buyer here at 5 a.m., which it did, sorry, at 5 a.m. Yeah, maybe we can have a bit more of a push. Uh, yeah, okay, guys. So that's it. Quick one. But we've done quite well there. Keep safe, trade safe. Any questions, please drop them in the comments. And yeah, I'll speak to you all soon. Bye for now.